This is going on the video. What's going on in here? What are we making today?
Well, porridge.
Well, porridge. You're normally quite proud of your porridge, aren't you?
Protein porridge. Chocolate, peanut butter, banana, protein porridge.
Sounds nice.
What are you doing?
Watching the master at work.
Well, if you can make yourself useful and unload the dishwasher, that'd be great. So there's not all this mess while we're on a video and there's mess everywhere. Right, I'm using it on the
Get to work.
on the porridge. Not,
Yeah,
not
we don't advocate domestic violence on this channel.
Don't we?
Well, I don't. I don't know. I won't speak for you.
Secret ingredient.
Oh, that looks nice.
Here we have the finished article. Banana, peanut butter, seeds, granola, porridge, chocolate protein. Delicious.
Not bad, is it? I think you've earned your keep.
For this week. Bit too many seeds on top. Oh, and of course, motorcycle magazines. Wearing the clothes of Sean Harris. Let's go for a lovely beach meditation.
Yeah, this is going to be fun, actually.
And he's going to have a swim, which I would normally join. But I'm feeling particularly fatigued today. So, I am not. I need to clean the car.
Have a look at this.
Look at that, that's amazing.
Well, and this is the point at which it starts to look dirty
yeah.
when you get close up.
Okay, so, great. Oh, 10 out of 10. Close up.
Your side, though.
7 out of 10.
I think your side is the best side.
Well,
look at that. Just a few watermarks.
Sean's job is not
Not car
professional
detailing.
car detailing, because... Oh, I opened my own door. Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. Is it on?
Oh, it's on, yeah.
So what I was going to say was, you open my door. So Sean's very gentlemanly and actually opens my car door every time.
Old-fashioned chivalry is not dead.
No, why are you turning the car off?
Just because of the camera audio.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
Have you got anything else to say?
No.
No.
That was it. Just, I like you opening the door for me.
Yeah. Yeah. And occasionally I open doors in houses and other buildings.
It's not
You're kind of
just
spoiled.
cars. It's
Yeah.
very spoiled.
Yeah.
I don't actually know how to open doors for myself anymore. And if I'm out with other people, sometimes I wait at the car because I forget that Sean's not there.
Yeah, I know. And your dad's probably like, oh,
Dad's like,
get in. Get in, Suze.
No, actually, he opened my door when I've been
Oh,
unwell.
good old Mog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he's done a bit
He
of
is
that.
a gent. I do like your dad.
Yeah.
Right, down to the beach then.
Okay. Here we have our descent.
Right. Shall we do a mini review?
Oh, very smeared window in the background. This is not looking good for our review.
No. But we're not reviewing how clean the car is. We'll actually review what the car's like to drive.
Okay, well,
So let's do an introduction. What are we
we just pointed out that we like this.
Oh, we do like that.
Hi, fancy pocket for hair bubbles and
Well,
phones.
it's a phone-sized pocket, obviously,
Wow.
isn't it?
Or hair bubbles.
2 charging ports, one USB-C, one USB-B, I assume, or A.
I'm not really too keen on this interface. Like, for example, if I put the heater on, I can't change where the heat comes out from.
No, it's very confusing.
Can't find it anywhere. Very weird.
So we've also decided that we don't like start-stop buttons
Well,
and electronic handbrakes.
I never minded it in my BMW, but
But it worked in your BMW, probably.
yeah.
That's why.
So yesterday Sean sauntered onto a roundabout, as he does, and stalled the car, which was quite unusual.
Oh, why? Because I was talking to you.
Oh, because I was asking him about dates of something. So
Suzie was trying to plan the whole year ahead.
we've confirmed that Sean cannot do this while he's driving.
Men can't multitask.
So he stalled in the
Don't
roundabout.
tell the story properly. You were asking me what my availability is on the 3rd weekend of July, which
I feel like you zoomed in.
I was trying to think
I'll
about.
try and zoom out a bit.
And then I came onto the roundabout in 3rd gear.
Sorry everybody, this is very bumpy.
And
then stalled.
Stalled.
So the story is still that Sean stalled in a roundabout.
I was trying to press the button.
And it won't do it. You have to put your foot on the brake. So he had to come to a full stop in the middle of a busy roundabout.
If I was in a standard car, I could have just
with the key.
Put the clutch and just turned the key and we would have been away. But I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Oh, remember the incident on near the
Oh
cliff
my
edge?
gosh. So we went to the steepest car park in the world, which is at Maro, which is near here, Maro, as it's said in Espanol. And I'm just videoing you, by the way. So everybody likes that. They probably prefer me, so let's do that. No, I'm joking. That was a joke. So was on this steep car park. We went to look at a beach, and Sean parked face down. Well, not face down, but you know what I mean.
Yeah,
face
I parked nose towards the cliff
nose
edge.
towards the cliffs. And when he went to go, he was pulling off and going to reverse up the hill to leave. Was about to undo the handbrake. And what happens is if you use the clutch, obviously like a hill start, it just takes the handbrake off for you. So we just kept rolling down because obviously Sean wasn't expecting it to take it off.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was. And this is as quick as it gets to get to the beach, guys. But yeah, it was pretty scary. It happened twice, and I was thinking that we were just gonna have to leave the car there and walk all the way home. That's my real.
Well, then I was reversing
Because it wasn't fun.
and then a car appeared behind us. A woman in a sort of a Peugeot partner kind of van thing. I was too just trying to get the car to go backwards, not forwards off the cliff.
Because we were jumping forwards. It was quite scary, to be honest,
Suzie
because
was
there was
scared.
nothing there. It
I
was
was
just
pretending it was fine.
It was just the sea and the rocks, and I like the sea, but not going full into it in the car. This camera is really just not working out. It's now you're fuzzy.
Just focus it on me.
Yeah, but
Then
it doesn't like all the light.
she appeared and
Yeah.
then beeped her horn to stop me crashing into
And then
her.
he nearly went forwards again.
Yeah, and then I went forwards again, and I stalled, and luckily the woman was quite good about it, because I didn't take the extra insurance on this car. So
this is the experience that I have.
we would have had to
when I'm
pay.
in Spain,
Yeah, we would have had to pay the extra.
which is like 15 grand or something silly. The car's worth 8, but they charge you 15 if you break it.
The other thing about this car is whenever you get out of it, the steering wheel hits you in the knee, and it's at its highest most setting.
Yeah, and the boot doesn't shut well. So we had a whole scenario of the boot not shutting and nothing locking at the beginning when we first got it, because it doesn't. You have to really slam it, and it's quite high. So for me, that's a no.
It's a no-go.
But anyway, let's stop rambling on about the car now, shall we? It's been great. We've got a little 4x4. We got a bit of an upgrade.
We got upgraded, yeah, because we had it so long for 30 days.
And we're actually really liking it. I wouldn't buy this car. No way, Jose.
That's
I'd
nice,
rather
isn't
have
it?
an old Peugeot.
The big screen is a good addition.
Yeah, we like the big screen. The car's fine. Once we'd figured out, it's just figuring out how to start things as well. But Peugeots aren't renowned for their wild electronics.
No, they're not,
But
are they?
I'm not gonna be extra judgment.
Hang on.
What?
These buttons are probably different from these toggles.
They are. They are different.
Oh, so maybe you just touch these.
Sean's just finding this out. Yeah.
Maybe you touch those and things happen and we'll get the screen.
They do. That is what happens.
What? Let's try it.
Nope.
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
A module is loading.
Oh, this is really not fun for anyone.
No, wait a minute. Let's just have a look at the. I want to see if the sat nav works.
It does, but Android Auto is better. Or I think it brings up Android Auto.
Got no RAM or anything in this.
Oh,
thing,
hello,
is it?
Peugeot. Oh, it's so dusty.
Look at this. I didn't even realise all this stuff was here. Hey, what about your settings? Hey, look, that's what you were complaining
How
about.
did you press that?
That's what you. Oh,
Where did you find
that'll
that?
teach you, won't it? That'll teach you.
Where did you find that?
You were like, oh, nobody wants to know about this. This is exactly what I said. You press this one
Oh.
because it's touch sensitive. Look at that.
Well, I knew it was touch sensitive, but I
And
didn't
then
know.
you can get forward.
Honestly, now people just
All right, let's head to
Enough.
the beach. Let's head to the beach.
down there.
This is really nice down here, to be fair. You can see the seafloor. Hop on a skip and a jump.
Normally I just get my shoes straight off the rocky area and then he goes. Look at those colours. We've been doing this every morning. It's absolutely amazing. Sean does it some evenings. See how beautiful it is here? We're not on the best camera in the world. We didn't bring Sean's camera with us because of the amount of other stuff we're bringing. Well, hey! Hey! He's like a fish. And we weren't sure if we would use it. So Sean has the name Mindful Motorcyclist. I'm not sure if you guys can hear this. And one of the things that Sean does for his mindfulness is that he swims after work. So today is Sunday and he's been working, very naughty, doing extra work. Oh, he's disappeared. And he likes to come for a swim after to like reset. So we'll have the rest of the evening not working, not thinking about it. He's been in nature, reconnecting with himself. And our mission is to move somewhere where we can be like this, right by the sea, because we love it. We love being right in nature. So out he comes. Mr. Gorgeous in his very, very colourful Dominican Republic shorts. Woohoo! How was that, babe?
Oh, it's really nice. Yeah.